Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the current MMI software version so you know which package to use. Once that's done, insert a FAT32 USB with the update files placed in the root directory. This avoids file path issues. Make sure the vehicle battery is healthy or connect a charger, and park with the engine running to prevent power loss. You are initiating the update now because a stable power source and correct file placement prevent corruption and ensure the MMI will accept the package. You insert the USB into the MMI port and wait until the system recognizes the device. This can take several seconds. Once prompted, accept the license and choose the software update option because that triggers the installer sequence. Stay with the car, do not remove the USB or kill power during installation. Monitor the on-screen percentage as the MMI reboots multiple times. This is normal. If it pauses, be patient. Interrupting the process can brick the unit, so let it finish uninterrupted. You finish by removing the USB and performing a soft reset of the MMI to clear caches and stabilize the interface. This often smooths any post-update lag. Once done, verify the new firmware version in System Information to confirm success. If features appear missing or the update aborted, try the update again using another high-quality FAT32 USB and freshly downloaded files, because corrupted media or incomplete downloads are common causes of failure. One key troubleshooting tip: try a soft reset before a full factory reset to preserve settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.